some of these minions, they never cease to amaze me. You hear them saying, Ike Khumalo loves white people. Who doesn't, dog? Because black people, they love white people here in Africa and all over the world. Your Julius Malema loves white people. That's why he's staying in a white house, shopping in white neighborhoods, living with white people side to side. His kids go to white school. Like all of you, when you're sick, you go to a white medical institution. Your politicians, they live in Steyn City, not in Ngobo City, not in Mbeki City, not Zuma City. Steyn City. That's why all of you, you twang, wearing clothes made by white people. The cell phone that we're using, Samsung, until it is written, Mutlou, Dlamini, cell phone, not Samsung, not Huawei. Yeah, then I'll say, you know what, it's good to be black. But for now, no, driving a Mercedes-Benz until the M5, the M stands for Mrs. Zulu. Then I will say, yeah, it is good. I would not live, under Sopus. I would not want to live, under any black king. I would not. And if I had a chance, I would go stay more Norway's, Scandinavia, if I didn't have kids. Unfortunately, yeah, I find myself here. Most of your politicians, they fuck up money, they steal money, employ no one. Abosodi, they build no companies. The very same white people that you despise, they employ you. The the food that's in your stomach from white companies, the farmers. How many black people have been given farms? Today you go there where there was strawberry farm. You see dogs, babies walking naked, back all over. You see poo. Like in Zimbabwe, all over the continent. Find old men, rebels, chopping babies' hands, raping women. And then you tell me that I hate white people while you do everything white. The Mercedes-Benz that you're driving, you live in Bryanston, you live in Constantia next to white people. You can't live in Diepsloot. Your politicians, they must go live in Diepsloot. Use, public hospitals. Let's see who loves black people more. It's funny. And some of us, we still do more for darkies who steal from us, darkies who violate us. They don't ask what Ike, you've done more for black people. They violate us. Your politicians, they ran away. You can't even touch them. And then you're going to tell me, what, I love white people. People of Orania, they're smart. If I was white, I was going to live in Orania because this country is going down. Show me any black excellence. Even the bridges, let's drive a go. Produce, reproduce under white administration. Black administration, it's chaos. The only thing that they know is the rhetoric, talking socialism dependent on capitalism. That is bullshit. You're going to tell me that I love white people. When they are sick, they go to Russia. Your leaders, white country, they go to Hong Kong. Your Julius Malema, he does everything white, Nabomazoti. It's funded in London, funded by white companies or OpenM or Rupert. They're funding them. They must say, no, we don't take white money. No, I'm resigning from work. I'm not going to work for a white person. No, I'm leaving my suburb. I'm going back to Soweto. I'm going back to Katlehong. If you love black people, do that. Take your car, drive it. Or figure freeway, no, this BM, no, I don't like it. This Volvo, until it is written, until it is written King Mushweshwe. The M in a BMW stand for Mrs. Zulu. Even your kings, they depend or dependent on white people. And you're going to say to me, Ike loves white people. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Because my life was better when everything was following protocol according to the white man's constitution, the white man's rule, even though I was oppressed. But under this democracy, you must be fucked. You must take your pants off, fucked by men on your bums before you get anything. Yonke into a democracy show, you lose something. Show me one woman straight from school who became a minister. All of these women in the ANC, you must go through all these guys. You banned. Spin the bottle. You can't pass through. We clean. Even some women there, They want you to be fucked because they've been fucked. And who are you when they're going to come squeaky clean? You become a minister. All of them, check them. Whether you're a DG, director. So, I'd rather live in Scandinavia. Yes, there is corruption. Yes, white people do fight, but they reconcile at the end, just like they did during World War I and II, and they built. Other countries, Haiti, 200 years of liberation. It is a mess. Liberia, Nigeria. Zimbabwe is not going to come all right. They're always going to carry sanction. They are corrupt to the core. Instead of rebuilding, yeah, America is sanctioning us because they want a reason to loot. Here's the South Arabia countries or UAE countries, about Saudi Arabia, about Bahrain. They're building. Yes, they're oppressed. Yes, America is dominating their oil, but the little that they have, they spend it with their people and prosper. I love white people, just like you do.